Think, learn, become. Think, learn, become. Hey, Charlie, chemistry no be hard oh. If you no believe, come see KokoChem. We go blast your brain in a good way. Me mix acid base boom reaction. Atom they dance like party attraction. KokoChem class be sweet like shit oh. Learning they enter head pass and no KokoChem with the learn with the vibe. Science no be stressed with the jive. Twee and English all they combine. You go sabi chem way go blow your mind. Hey, KokoChem they learn. KokoChem no wahala. KokoChem be the plug. Make you no dull. From JHS just we teach y'all. Subscribe sharp before we dissolve. Cause your chem problem we go solve.
Hello everyone, welcome back to KokoChem Education. And then the best of it, homework night in my own. And then it's Friday so that everyone can go and party. Alright, so for the homework we had identify and name all substituents in this structure. Okay. So before with me identify the substituents in a work compound we know. The first step is to identify which one is the parent chain. And here whom we said parent chain the longest continuous carbon chain. Okay. To fact structure we have the longest continuous carbon chain which means as started we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we started free say if you are saying more than 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We started free around when they were amount 9. We started free 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What's that free now when they have so it's amount 9. It looks like the longest continuous carbon chain about 9 carbons, which is this guy. So we have this. I just want to make it bold so that you'll be able to see. That means that line Biana I attach it to the parent, a bit substituent. Okay. So that means that we a substituent. We answer a substituent. We a substituent. And we now a substituent. And how many substituents? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 substituents. So identify part about 4 substituents. Okay. Now me say KokoChem Education YouTube channel has so many over 200 amazing, interesting videos on there. Okay. So please do check it out and subscribe. So 4 substituents on the parent chain. The next part, you have to name the substituents. Okay. So name the substituents. Yes, that if we have we need 1 carbon. So if it's 1 carbon, hopefully you guys can see it. Let me see if I can push the camera forward a little bit. Okay. All right. So 1 carbon will be meth. Then yesterday I told you, sir, the catcher said, key thing for substituent name, don't forget to add YL. So you just add Yankee, and Lima to it. It's now metal. Okay, that is for this guy. And then the next one, your 1, and I already cause carbon 7. Carbon 7 or your 1 to 2 carbons attached on carbon 7. And then substituent 2 carbons, 2 carbon substituent, your friend F. So ETH. Then you add the key 10 abdominal substituents in the YL. So YL. It's ethyl. Okay. Ethyl, metal. Okay. Into the net, yabaha, carbon 5. You 1, 2, 3. 3 carbons attached on carbon 5. 3 carbons on your friend prop. Prop now the YL, Yankee and Lima, or the YL, Esoswa. Nababe propal, 3 carbons. And a friend prop. Again, I keep pointing this to you because YL is the main tenor, Emmanuel, a substituent. YL, okay? It's a whenever proper. Again, homework question at the mile, and then in the yes organ, we identify and name all substituents. Yedika identify say 4 substituents in this structure. It's the anemia. The anemia where 1 carbon, metal, 2 carbons, ethyl, 3 carbons, proper, and then carbon 4. I say carbon 4 no. 1 substituent. I must circle on with the red ink, And you see 1 carbon, just like this guy. I'm going to be metal. Okay. And see homework assignment. And it's a homework question. These are the answers that I was expecting. Okay. To me, we are. Kudos to you. But again, somebody can catch you in the previous videos. You better take step by step. Abasania abasa to set you better form a complete puzzle. So don't rush, okay? You better find now forming a bigger picture. So any day 3 or video 3, and this is how it is. So in summary, today's summary on this lesson is to identify and name substituents. And we have identified, say, before I'll be naming, and also before I will be who be a substituent, you have to find the parent chain. Parent chain is the longest continuous carbon chain. What does it? Who identify here? The other attaching who be a substituent. Okay. In terms of the longest continuous carbon chain, the other attaching be a substituent. Substituents in the naming systems and when the naming rules. And I'm teaching you the so look out for another KokoChem previous videos on Facebook and now check it out on KokoChem Education YouTube channel. Now make I say if you want to send me an email, if you want to comment, if you want to join my WhatsApp group, please do, and let's talk more education, more science, and even more research. Okay. All right. That's the end of today's class. Very short, because then Friday, KokoChem and I relaxing.
Yeah. Think plan be calm. When the baby come see, no be I do. If you no believe, come see KokoChem. We go blast your brain in a good way. Me mix acid, base, boom, reaction. Atom they dance like party attraction. KokoChem class be sweet like shito. Learning the enter head pass and up a coco. KokoChem we dey learn, we dey vibe. Science no be stress, we dey jive. Twi and English all they combine. You go sabi chem, we go blow your mind. KokoChem, they learn. KokoChem, no wahala. KokoChem be the plug, make you no dull. From JHS to SHS we teach all. Subscribe sharp before we dissolve. Cause the drums and problem we go solve. Who can become? Who can become? Hey, Charlie, chemistry no be hard. Yeah, Coco, warmness, Kodom Ken, Bracing Trust, Rivana, Amusta, Itom Ten, Makanpa, Goigna, Akoya, Azabe, Ikompa, Akoko, Ojike, Kaproge, Mind and flow is a cheetah. Emane the world is a dealers. Least time daily a vapor. Tangled and do your debon. Me big city in Kafana. Oh yeah, can body over like spectrum. I done one on the ice in those do. KokoChem, they learn. KokoChem, no wahala. KokoChem be the plug, make you no dull. From JHS to SHS we teach all. Subscribe sharp before we dissolve. Cause your chem problem we go solve.
This is KokoChem Education YouTube channel. Always remember that practice makes permanent. So when you any video no be every month, leave a comment. I would love to hear from you. Share it with a friend and please subscribe. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.